Hello. So another day started. I'm being a little bit slow today. It's already probably like about 11. But anyway, been pick some items up. So I'm thinking today's project. Oh, looking quite red. Yeah. So sunshine. Yeah, that's what happens when I get in the sunshine. One of my friends from the yard actually gave me a little ride with his boat. It's so nice to be out in the water. We didn't sail, there was no wind, it was very sunny as you can see, and nice and red today. So yeah, for today what I'm planning is I'm going to restore that thing. That's my bilge pump. So I don't know is it functional or not, but so at least that's the agenda for today. Put it back together, wire it up, and then see this work. So yeah, stay tuned, enjoy the time lapse. See you soon.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
so the rain is coming. But anyway, so I just connected the bilge pump. It is old. It is like there forever. I don't know how old it is, but it was drowned. But it's supposed to be waterproof. So anyway, so just connected it, and yeah, let's try to run it and see what happens. Power on. Bilge pump. It's working. Seems to be. It's making noise at least, tell you that much. Right, that's about it. There was no more water. But yeah, that's it. Successful project. I like it. Don't know where it goes out on the other side, but I will figure that one out later. So yeah guys, see you later.